Do you think tattoos are attractive? If a guy had a tattoo, would you find that attractive?
Very attractive. Very attractive.
It attracts me a hell lot.
Okay, that's actually a lot. Cool.
No matter on whichever part.
Tattoo? No, not even a bit.
No. I find it attractive, honestly. Even I want to have.
Hello everyone, and a very happy new year from Denzong TV. It's the first day of 2017, and we're here in city center Siliguri. We're just gonna go around, ask a couple of questions, meet the youngsters and see what they think about a lot of issues that we deal with. Some fun ones, some serious ones. So let's see what kind of reactions we get. It's a new year. It's the 1st of January. So a lot of people make resolutions today. Do you have any?
I need to quit smoking
Okay.
and I need to go to the gym more regularly and give time to myself more.
Okay. What about you?
I just need to study and get through school for now. No, not as such, but then I've decided that whatever I'll do, I'll put my whole heart and soul into it. That's it. I don't have it actually. I just want to get fat.
I'm gonna stop making girlfriend.
You're gonna stop? Why? I mean, girlfriends are good, right?
Not for this year.
Not for
Maybe
this
next year.
Maybe next year, yeah. So girls, better luck next year. What about you?
I'm gonna not tell lie this year. I wanna be a truthful person, honest.
I always break it.
But then did you make any?
No, because I haven't break it.
I have one resolutions, that is, I was when I was in school, so I was being bullied all the time. So I have gained a lot of weight at that time. So I was 104 kilos. So I took a resolution of losing weight. I lost 15 kilos as of now.
You look great, man.
Yeah. Thank you.
And what about you?
So I don't believe in resolutions. I believe in making decisions.
Okay.
Like you
And
should
any
stick by your decisions.
So did you make any decisions last
Decisions is that I want to get better. Obviously, everybody wants better from the previous year. You need a transformation, right? So whatever I wasn't in 2016, I would like to be in 2017. That's it.
My resolution is about music, and I want to do something very special in this year.
night? So a lot of people have tattoos, and a lot of people are getting tattoos. So what do you think about tattoos?
I love tattoos very much. I want to get one, but my parents won't allow me to.
So okay, if her parents are watching, please let her get a tattoo.
From my point of view, I like tattoos. It's cool, yeah.
No, not even a bit.
No.
Not even if that tattoo is like, suppose he gets a tattoo of you.
No.
Okay.
If he makes a painting of me, I will be pleased.
Okay. So you'd prefer a painting over a tattoo?
If the tattoo is good, that is. If it is good.
Do you think tattoos are attractive? If a guy had a tattoo, would you find that attractive?
I find it attractive, honestly. Even I want to have.
You want a tattoo? You don't have any?
No, I don't.
No, I don't like tattoos.
I like tattoos. I too like tattoos, but I will make inked before when I get job. Then only I'll ink.
After. Do you think tattoos are attractive? Would you like a girl who has tattoos?
Tattoos are only attractive if you're a guy, if you are having a great physique, then it will obviously work for you. Otherwise, if you are not having that good physique, it will not look nice.
Okay, but then what about if it's on a girl?
What? Sorry?
If a girl has a tattoo, would you like that or would you not?
Yeah. I'm not having any problem with that.
It attracts me a hell lot.
Okay, that's actually a lot. Cool.
No matter on whichever part.
You see a lot of states in the US, they're legalizing marijuana. Some for medical, others for recreational use. So what do you think? Do you think marijuana should be legalized in India?
If used correctly, then should be legalized. But
of
the
people
way
abuse
a lot of people use it, I think it's okay to legalize it.
Partly it should be legal, and partly it should be legal because nowadays teenagers, they get high and all.
They don't do this stuff.
I don't do that. I don't do that.
It's not partying.
It should be legal, but up to a certain extent, because if we dope too much, then that's not good for health.
Especially in engineering college, marijuana is common thing. Marijuana, cigarette, and alcohol is common thing. Then when in relationship also, जब कसैले एउटाले अर्कोलाई इग्नोर गर्दैछ भने अझै बेसी एट्र्याक्ट हुँदै जान्छ क्या त्यसरी नै मेरिजुआना पनि जति हामी अब जस्तै इलिगल हुँदै जान्छ त्यति बेसी मान्छे एट्र्याक्ट भएर त्यति बेसी लिन खोज्छ हैन यदि लिगलाइज गर्यो भने बाद त्यसको कन्जम्सन घट्न पनि सक्छ
इन्डियामा लिगल गरायो भने चाहिँ नि राम्रै हुन्छ तर मोस्ट अफ पिपल आर युजिङ दिस इन टाइप्स अफ ड्रग्स तर बेसिकली ड्रग्समा नलिएर चाहिँ मेडिसिनकै ट्रिटमेन्ट लियो भने चाहिँ राम्रो हुन्थ्यो इट विल बी गुड
It's just about mentality. When this, like, the people would like they had to have this vision, right? Like, what it is, why they have legalized and why we haven't. They have to understand, like, on some parts, on places, public places, you don't allow. But you should allow. Why? What is it? The reason? What is the reason? If they can allow, why we can't? So give a proper reason, na? That you can't do in public place. Fine. Like, but it should be available. Like buying should be available.